This is a quick tutorial for the CalPADS new username. On March 10th, at the start of the transition, this is what you see when you log into CalPADS. First, you have to create your username by logging in with your existing account. So you're going to sign in using your existing username. Okay, so now you can see activate new CalPADS username. This is a button. Just click the button and you're going to choose your username. Now I want my username to be easily remembered. They're all going to end with @calpads.org. You can see that the new username has been created successfully. And then we have steps here, and you really want to pay attention to these steps. You want to log out of CalPADS. You don't want to just close the browser. You want to make sure you log out of CalPADS. Then you're going to go to your email, check for the email so we can see our new CalPADS username. We're going to return to the dual login page. We're going to select the choice on the right, the new CalPADS username, and then we're going to follow the prompts to create a permanent password. Okay, so let's close this window. So you're going to log out of CalPADS, and we've successfully logged out. Okay, so first we have to open our email. So you can see that the email comes from CalPADS. It's a no reply account. Here's the username I created, and here's my temporary password. I'm going to sign in on the right using my new credentials. I'm just going to paste that temporary password back in. I'm going to create a new one. It asks, do you want to stay signed in? This is your preference. And now you can see the user agreement. I accept, and I'm signed in. Notice there is no more activate new username button. This is CalPADS as you know it, as you know and love. And that's it. Everyone with the existing CalPADS account will have to do this process. So the expectation is that every CalPADS user is going to select their username and their password. It is not intended for the LEA admin to do this for the entire organization. Everyone has the ability and the expectation to set their username and password.